We are all human, we are all imperfect. It is in our nature to make mistakes. Sometimes these mistakes are small. We forget a birthday or burn dinner. Other times our mistakes have lasting impacts. We say hurtful things. We break promises. These experiences can stay with us. They become heavy with regret. We can learn from all our mistakes. It's easy to get caught up in wishing we had acted differently. We might replay the situation over and over in our minds, but dwelling on the past won't change things. It keeps us stuck. Instead, we need to acknowledge our mistakes. We must accept that we are imperfect. This is the first step to moving forward. Everyone stumbles in life. It's part of being human. What matters most is how we respond to these stumbles. Do we let them define us? Or do we learn and grow from them? Remember, mistakes don't mean we are bad people. They simply mean we have the opportunity to become better. Regret comes with a wave of difficult emotions. We might feel shame, believing we are unworthy or bad. Guilt whispers that we've hurt someone we care about. Fear can also grip us. We fear the consequences of our actions. This might even make us want to avoid the situation entirely. It's tempting to push these feelings down. We may want to pretend they don't exist. However, this will only make them stronger. We must allow ourselves to feel these emotions fully. This means sitting with our discomfort. We must acknowledge the pain we've caused ourselves and others. Facing our emotions takes courage. It's not easy to sit with shame, guilt, and fear. But it's necessary for growth and healing. By acknowledging our feelings, we can begin to understand them. This understanding allows us to move forward with compassion for ourselves and others. A sincere apology is a powerful act. It shows we acknowledge the pain we've caused, but a true apology requires more than just saying "I'm sorry." It demands that we take full responsibility for our actions. This means resisting the urge to make excuses. We should avoid blaming others or minimizing our role in the situation. When we apologize, we must be specific about what we did wrong. We need to show genuine remorse for our actions. It's important to listen to the other person's feelings without getting defensive. Let them share their pain and anger. Remember, an apology isn't about seeking forgiveness. It's about acknowledging the impact of our actions. It's about showing the other person that we respect their feelings and want to make things right. Rebuilding trust takes time and effort. It requires patience and understanding. Actions often speak louder than words. Start by making small amends. Follow through on your promises. Show the other person that you're committed to change. Be prepared for setbacks. There might be moments of anger or frustration. Listen with an open heart. Don't give up on the relationship. Healing from mistakes takes time. It's a process, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and the other person. Remember, forgiveness is a gift. It's not something we can demand or control. Mistakes are a part of life. They don't define us. What defines us is how we respond to them. By embracing vulnerability, taking responsibility, and making amends, we can heal ourselves and our relationships. We can move forward with hope and create a more positive future. Everyone makes mistakes. It's how we handle them that defines us. By taking responsibility, apologizing sincerely, and committing to change, we can learn from our mistakes and emerge stronger. Remember, it's never too late to make things right.